Think you can't grow fresh veggies in the city? You're not alone. Most people believe that urban living means sacrificing the joy of gardening. But what if I told you that even in the heart of a bustling city, you can harvest your own greens, herbs, and even tomatoes, all without a backyard? What if I told you you don't even need soil anymore? Thanks to hydroponic technology, you can grow a lush garden right inside your apartment, using just water, nutrients, and a little creativity. Imagine picking crisp lettuce or fragrant basil from your kitchen counter. No dirt required. These 7 genius gardening tips are changing how we grow food in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a total beginner, these hacks are designed to fit any lifestyle and any space, making gardening more accessible than ever before. Urban life is busy, space is tight, and time is precious. But you can still grow fresh, organic produce right from your apartment window, balcony, or even a bookshelf. No matter how small your home, there's always a creative way to add a touch of green and a burst of flavor to your meals. With the right tools and a few smart hacks, gardening can become a joyful, stress-relieving part of your daily routine, no matter how small your space. Imagine unwinding after a long day by tending to your mini garden, or starting your morning with the scent of fresh herbs. Today we're diving into trending gardening techniques, urban gardening tricks, and futuristic hydroponic setups to grow food anywhere. From compact vertical gardens to high-tech hydroponic farms, these methods are revolutionizing how city dwellers connect with nature and their food. From vertical planters to smart watering systems and DIY greenhouses, I'll walk you through each step, sharing my favorite products and simple solutions. You'll learn how to maximize sunlight, automate watering, and create a thriving garden with minimal effort. So grab your gardening gloves or just your morning coffee, and let's get growing together. Whether you're looking to save money, eat healthier, or simply bring more life into your home, these hacks will help you transform any space into a green oasis. Let's kick things off with my favorite space-saving solution, vertical gardening. If you've ever felt limited by a small balcony, a tiny patio, or even just a sunny wall, vertical gardening is about to change the way you think about growing plants at home. It's a creative, practical, and beautiful way to maximize every inch of your available space, no matter how compact. If you're short on floor space but have a sunny wall or railing, vertical planters and wall-mounted racks let you grow more in less space. These systems are designed to take advantage of vertical surfaces, turning blank walls into productive gardens. Whether you're growing flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into a vertical setup. Imagine a lush wall of herbs or strawberries right outside your kitchen window or lining your balcony. Not only does it look stunning, but it also puts fresh ingredients within arm's reach whenever you need them. Vertical gardens can transform even the smallest outdoor or indoor spaces into vibrant living walls that are both functional and decorative. Self-watering stackable planters keep your plants hydrated with minimal effort, perfect for busy or forgetful gardeners. These clever systems use gravity to distribute water from the top down, ensuring every level gets the moisture it needs. This means less time spent watering and more time enjoying your thriving garden. Place thirstier plants near the bottom to catch excess water, and use lightweight modular racks for easy setup and removal. Modular systems are especially handy if you like to rearrange your plants or move your garden to follow the sun throughout the year. They're also great for renters, since they can be taken down and reassembled without leaving a trace. Old shoe organizers, recycled bottles, and rain gutters can all be transformed into creative vertical gardens. Upcycling everyday items not only saves money, but also adds a unique personal touch to your space. Plus, it's a sustainable way to garden, reducing waste while growing something beautiful and edible. Stackable planters are a game changer for fire escapes and narrow balconies, letting you build a tower of greenery. These vertical towers can be as tall or as compact as you need, making them ideal for maximizing limited space. They're also easy to move and rearrange, so you can experiment with different plant combinations and layouts. Even a single column in a sunny corner can yield a surprising harvest. Don't underestimate the productivity of vertical gardens. Herbs, leafy greens, strawberries, and even compact tomatoes can thrive in these setups. With the right care, you'll be harvesting fresh produce from spaces you never thought possible. Don't let limited space stop you. Vertical gardening turns any blank wall into a living piece of art and a source of fresh food. It's a fantastic way to bring nature into your home, improve air quality, and add a splash of color to your everyday environment. Plus, Tending to your vertical garden can be a relaxing, rewarding hobby. With the right setup, you'll be amazed at how much you can grow just steps from your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, vertical gardening opens up a world of possibilities for small spaces. So grab some planters, get creative, and start building your own vertical oasis today. Now let's talk about a true gardening revolution: hydroponics. Imagine growing your favorite herbs and vegetables indoors all year round without ever touching a bag of soil. Hydroponics is changing the way we think about home gardening, making it more accessible, cleaner, and surprisingly fun for everyone, from beginners to seasoned plant lovers. Hydroponic starter kits use only water and nutrients, no dirt required. Instead of relying on soil, these kits deliver everything your plants need directly to their roots, using a carefully balanced mix of water and essential minerals. That means less mess, fewer pests, and faster growth. You won't have to worry about muddy floors, bugs, or weeding. Your indoor space stays clean, and your plants thrive in a controlled, healthy environment. These kits come with everything you need and fit anywhere: kitchen counter, bookshelf, or even under your bed. Their compact designs make them perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or any small living space. The hydroponic indoor kit is my top pick for 2025, thanks to its sleek design and foolproof setup. Even if you've never grown a plant before, you'll find the instructions easy to follow, and the kit itself looks great in any modern home. Your plant's roots sit directly in nutrient-rich water, so they get exactly what they need when they need it. This direct access to nutrients helps plants grow stronger and healthier, with vibrant leaves and robust flavors. Hydroponic systems often produce harvest up to 30% faster than traditional soil methods, using less water overall. You'll notice your greens sprouting in just days, and you can enjoy multiple harvests throughout the year, even in winter. Setup is simple. Just fill the reservoir, add nutrients, pop in your seeds, and watch them grow. There's no need for complicated tools or gardening experience. Everything is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Many new kits connect to your phone, letting you monitor water levels and nutrients from anywhere. With smart sensors and app notifications, you'll always know when your plants need a top-up, making maintenance almost effortless. With hydroponics, you can turn any corner of your home into a mini farm. Fresh basil or lettuce, no outdoor space required. It's a fantastic way to enjoy homegrown produce, save money, and bring a little green magic into your daily life, no matter where you live. One of the biggest challenges for urban gardeners is low light. LED grow lights mimic natural sunlight, giving your plants the full spectrum they need to thrive, even in the darkest corners. Today's LEDs are energy efficient, cool running, and safe to place close to your plants. The full-spectrum LED grow light is compact, easy to install, and perfect for everything from seedlings to mature herbs. Just clip it to a shelf, set the timer, and watch your plants flourish year-round. LED lights help extend your growing season, letting you start seeds early or keep your garden going through winter. Most come with adjustable arms and simple instructions, so setup is a breeze. If you're struggling with dim corners or cloudy days, give your plants the light they crave and see the difference. Life gets busy, and sometimes watering your plants slips your mind. Smart watering systems use auto timers and app-connected planters to keep your plants perfectly hydrated, no matter where you are. The Wi-Fi plant watering kit is a favorite. Just set it up, connect to your phone, and let it do the rest. Schedule watering times, adjust for different plant needs, and get alerts if the water runs low. These systems are perfect for travelers or anyone who forgets to water. No more wilted leaves. Setup is simple. Place the reservoir, connect the tubes, and sync to Wi-Fi. Many kits track soil moisture and temperature, giving you deeper insight into your plant's health. Upgrade to a smart watering system and keep your garden lush, no matter how hectic life gets. Let's talk about a timeless gardening secret: companion planting. Pairing plants like basil and tomato or marigold and cucumber boosts growth, repels pests, and improves flavor. Marigolds keep harmful insects away, while cucumbers climb and spread, maximizing your space. Try beans with corn or carrots with onions and watch your garden thrive. Start with a few pairs in your planters or raised beds and keep notes on what works best. Mixing flowers and veggies adds color and attracts beneficial insects, making your space feel alive. Experiment and share your favorite combos in the comments. Your tips might inspire someone else. With a little planning, you can create a thriving, pest-resistant, and delicious urban garden, one perfect pair at a time. Healthy plants start with healthy soil, even in containers or indoors. Start with a high-quality organic potting mix for the right balance of drainage and water retention. Give your plants an extra boost with compost tea. Just soak compost in water, strain, and use the liquid to feed your plants. If you're growing hydroponically, use organic nutrients designed for water-based systems. Healthy soil means fewer pests, faster growth, and better-tasting produce. Mix in compost, worm castings, or coco coir to customize your blend. Over time, you'll learn what your plants love best. Invest in your soil, and your garden and your plate will thank you. Let's talk about creating your own indoor greenhouse, a simple way to give your plants the perfect environment year-round. Use clear plastic bins, bakery containers, or even cut soda bottles to build a mini greenhouse on your windowsill. Place your pots inside, mist with water, and snap on the lid to trap warmth and humidity. DIY greenhouses are perfect for starting seeds, growing delicate greens, or keeping humidity-loving plants happy indoors. They protect from drafts, pests, and temperature swings, ideal for city apartments. Add a small thermometer or humidity gauge to monitor conditions, or combine with LED grow lights for 24/7 growing power. Repurpose materials for a budget-friendly, eco-friendly setup. With a little creativity, you can grow fresh herbs and microgreens indoors all year long. Urban gardening is the future. These tips make it easy to grow your own food, no matter where you live. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs or greens for your meals, all without leaving your apartment. Download our free urban gardening guide below for step-by-step instructions and exclusive tips. Like this video, comment your city, and subscribe for weekly gardening hacks. Let's build a greener, healthier future together, one plant at a time. Happy gardening!